Hey everyone, Jose Villablanca here, certified personal trainer and holistic lifestyle coach. Ching. Today I want to talk to you about how to put an exercise program together. Here are my tips on how an exercise program should be developed for your unique needs and your specific goals. Alright, first thing is you need to know what your posture is like, your current posture is like. Not everyone has the same posture. Some people have rounded shoulders, some people have hyperextended lordotic spine, lordosis, yeah? Sorry, I forgot the term. Lower back, in other words, okay? Some people have tight hip flexors. It really depends. So having a posture analysis will determine what muscles you need to stretch because they're currently tight, and what muscles you need to strengthen, so that's lifting weights, right? Because they're weak and or long, right? This is why you need to do a posture analysis. Because again, you stretch the tight muscles, and at the same time, you strengthen the long, weak muscles. That's the first step. Next thing is, you need to do a fitness test. Why? Because you need to know your baseline levels, right? How long you can plank, how long you can do a dead hang, how many push-ups you can do in 1 minute, how many squats you can do in 1 minute. Those are just simple fitness tests. So after a month, you can do the fitness test again and see how much you've progressed. This will actually keep you motivated. Not only that, but it's a great accountability tool because you know every month you have to do a fitness test and you want to make sure that you make yourself proud by seeing those improvements. That is the second tip. The third thing is nutritional assessment. So basically, I just need to know how you eat or what your current lifestyle habits or nutritional habits are like. Diet simply means not eating healthy. A diet actually in definition means what you currently eat in a day-to-day basis. So basically, I just want to see what your diet is like before we make any changes, because we want to see what got you to your current situation with the diet that you have. So that's a third thing. The fourth thing is having a nutritional plan. So this is where we work with ideally a registered dietitian or nutritionist to really make your specific nutritional needs for the workouts that you do. Because remember, food is nutrition. It's the fuel you give yourself to get really strong workout. Not only that, but it's the fuel that you give yourself after that really hard workout, so you recover better and you're more prepared for the next workout. So it's faster recovery time, better workouts, getting enough calories, enough macros, so you can sustain yourself towards achieving your goals. Remember, it's not one bad meal that gets you fat, nor one good meal that gets you that six-pack, but it's consistent actions that leads to results. In other words, it's your diet. All right, now that we have your diet plan or your current diet plan, we also have your posture analysis. We also did your fitness test. Now it's giving you that exercise program based on your current fitness levels that leads you towards your goals. And then basically we reverse engineer and make sure that every month we change up the program based on the changes you've made, based on the strength gains you've had, based on the range of motion that you've gained through flexibility exercises, and reconstruct your workout program every single month. There should be a plan, and your personal trainer or your fitness coach or whatever that guy may be must have a plan of action. So always ask why your exercise routine is that way. It's not just, an exercise program that anyone or everyone can do the most reps that they can do, but it's because it is your unique needs for your unique goals, all right? Everyone is different. Like I said, muscles are cable systems, so some muscles are tighter or stronger based on your job demands, based on your sports that you play, based on previous injuries. So you have to have a customized exercise program. Last one is looking at your lifestyle. Now remember, exercising, if you do consistently, let's say for example, that's an hour a day, 3 to 4 days a week. So that's 3 to 4 hours a week. There's 168 hours in a week. So doing 3-4 hours out of 168 hours is such a small portion, right? What we want to do is look at the 168 hours in total, including exercise. This is where your lifestyle comes to be. All right, this is why I'm called Holistic Jose. Holistic, it's a whole view of something, and I'm a lifestyle coach. So I'm a HLC coach. Sorry, that's redundant. It's like saying ATM. What is it? PIN number. PIN number. N stands for number. So that's why I'm an HLC, or I'm a holistic lifestyle coach. I look at your lifestyle in a holistic way. Are you getting enough sleep at night? Because sleep gets you to recover a lot faster from the hard workout that you just did, and you have more energy for the next workout you're gonna do. Are you physically fit, right? Are you emotionally stable? Are you mentally sharp? Because those three things, that's a holistic view of your fitness, right? Fitness is not just physical, it's also mental and emotional, right? That's why the best athletes in the world are very sound and very stable mentally and emotionally, and that's why they take the game-winning shot. So we look at your lifestyle. We make sure that you get enough rest. We make sure that your digestion is great. We make sure that you do a detox every so often, or a cleanse, right? We make sure that your meal times are accurate. Now that, intermittent fasting is still a big thing. We make sure that you count your calories, not just the calories that you eat, but also the calories that you drink, right? We make sure that we give you healthier habits to ingrain, right? Because like I said earlier, consistent action leads to results. Now, if you don't look at your lifestyle and you easily neglect that, then I can promise you, you will not see sustainable results. All right, that's it for today. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'd love to talk to you and help you with your fitness goals. Ask us about our 100% money back guarantee. What that means is when we give you an exercise program, a diet plan, a lifestyle coaching session, and you don't see the results, if you follow them to the T, we will offer your money back with a smile. Thanks, guys.